Hello everyone and welcome to jgcancook. So today is the day 9 of the 12 days food challenge, that is cooking food starting from A to Z. We are doing this challenge as we are going to complete 1 year on YouTube on 24th of April. So today we are going to cook food from the letters R and S. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So from letter R, we are going to make roasted makhanas. So for this recipe, we are going to take a kadai, we will heat it on low medium flame and then we'll add approx 1 teaspoon of ghee or oil in it. Then we'll add a pinch of heeng in it. Then we'll let it splitter for approx half a minute. And after that, we are going to add 1 cup of makhanas. And guys, heeng is optional, you can add it if you want. Then we will just mix it with the spatula to roast them. Then after 4 to 5 minutes, we are going to add approx half a teaspoon of salt. You can add more or less if you want. And then we will again mix it with the spatula. So guys, remember that throughout the process, the flame should be on low medium. We need to cook the makhanas till they are like light golden brownish in color. We will cook it for approx 2 to 3 minutes, and after 2 to 3 minutes, we are going to take it out and our roasted makhanas are ready to serve. So guys, this is a very healthy and delicious recipe. You must try it. So guys, if you like makhanas, do give this video a big thumbs up and do tell me your feedback in the comment section. Now moving on to the letter S, we are going to make Sabudana Tikki, that is vrat special. So we will take here approx 6 small potatoes and 1 cup of sabudana. You can also take 3 medium sized potatoes, some chopped green chili, some vrat wala namak and some kali mirch. Then we will just mash the potatoes. After that, I am going to add 1 cup of soaked sabudana. So guys, I have soaked this sabudana approx 4 to 5 hours ago in 1.5 cup of water. Now we will add in some salt, black pepper and chopped green chilies. Then we will mix it and combine it very well. You can also combine it with the help of a spoon. I am just combining it with my hands. Make sure that you clean your hands very well before doing this. Now it's time to make the tikkis. So first we will apply some oil on our hands and then we'll start shaping the tikkis into round. So guys, applying oil is very necessary so that the tikki don't break and it gets a really nice texture. So guys, it becomes very easy to shape the tikki if we apply oil on our hands. Then we will make all the tikkis by doing this and repeating the process. So from this recipe, we can make approx 9 tikkis. So after making all the tikkis, now we will freeze it for approx half hour. So after half hour, they are ready to fry. So we will fry it on low medium flame. First we will heat the oil for approx 5 minutes and after it is hot, we will then start adding the tikkis in the oil. Then we will fry the tikki from both the sides till they are nice and golden brownish in color. So guys, ensure that you don't add a lot of tikkis together in a oil, as there are chances that it will break. So after the tikkis are golden brownish in color and are fried well, we will just take it out on the tissue paper and then they are ready to serve. So guys, if you have prepared these tikkis for vrat, then you can serve it with dahi, and if you are just preparing it for normal day-to-day snack, then you can serve it with ketchup or with hari chutney. So guys, if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up, and if you will try this recipe, do share your feedback with me in the comment section or on my Instagram. Link is in the description box. So guys, this is it for today's video. We will meet you tomorrow with some more exciting letters. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.